Okay, let's go. 20 minutes into the ride already, and I forgot to record. Anyway, let's go. Beach Drive. That's Impala, right ahead of us. Hey, Impala roadblock. Oh no. You wanna challenge me, boy? Did you see how he came towards me? Like his head bent down a bit. As if he wanted to charge. Anyway, let's go. Oh, from one wildlife crossing to another one. There we got the zebras again. It's okay. I'm just passing by, nice and calmly. Thank you for moving. Okay, okay, okay. But watch his legs. I'll just give me a swift kick. Anyway, we're off again. Oh, more Impala. Also on the trail. Come on, guys. I know this is your home as well. And you can go quite easily. Oh, there's no one in the beach. Let's go. Fix the brakes. Thank you, Cradle Moon. Really getting dangerous at the end of that. Oh, very bumpy through there.